Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate how you can stop getting Pinterest notifications. So to begin with, open up the mobile app, then go for your profile, Pinterest profile page over here. Then at the top right corner tap at these three dots, go for settings, onwards enter the notifications category, and in here, if you would like to stop receiving the email notifications, just open the email notifications page and tap at the turn off all button or individually cross off the notifications that you would like to stop receiving. And the same goes for push notifications. Just open their page, tap at the turn off all button, confirm your choice, and well, as you can see, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.